yudo mag diploma mamalo national diploma eta adhula mag yudo ndalo ang'wen mano bag matao mag adhula piny mar Amerika mar 365 so tiegruok no maotisi ni the book sports ministry training ni bag county ma Kiambu higetogo mar puonjo jopuonj mag adhula kendo piedho lony margi kaachiel gi miyo biro ting'o malo rang'iny mag adhula e kor gwenge kod hoti gi thuolni gero mich yango tudruok kendo mamoko bende nyalo dongo
try to spectrum all so that coaches in this national diploma, we tell them to understand the basics of working with small children, youth children teams.
In terms of just even getting the player to understand discipline, the importance of consistency, the importance of dedication, sacrifice, and commitment. And with that, we will see commercialization of football in Kenya. We definitely have to continue building our infrastructure. We definitely have to keep on investing. We must mainstream football.
It is a national diploma, which is a very high to teaching technique, how you do something with a soccer ball, passing, dribbling, and shooting. All of the individual technical skills. And then it builds from there on small group tactics.